Yes. What is that you are holding?
Nah, gone.
Eh?
Gone.
What be the nail of the gun?
The AK-47.
Why are you putting it there?
Now there,
Eh?
now there they hide them
You hide them because of what?
because of police when they see am.
Police. So if you keep am there, they no go see am again.
They no dey see am since when they put am.
Eh?
Since when they put am, they never see am.
They never see am. So if they saw people checking points, they no go see that place.
They no go tell me make I open the bonnet.
They no go tell you to open the bonnet. Why they no go tell you? Say you carry juju abi na because of what?
No, I no carry you.
What is the reason why they no go tell you to open that place?
Because my paper is good.
Okay. You buy the motor because of what? Okay. How you tell no say that they hide keep gun there?
So you get one day when my wife are no good, so I carry am go where they repair am. So na there they open am. So na that day I know say that they open that place.
Okay. As you see that place,
Yes.
then you now think of what to do with it.
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
What did they keep there?
Na iron.
What's the name of the iron?
AK.
How many they enter there?
2.
2.
Yes.
So if you keep am like this, now how you go do am?
Eh?
How you go do am?
I go cover am.
You cover am.
Yes.
Then you now do wetin?
Eh?
You now do wetin?
I go enter my motor.
You enter your motor.
Yes.
Okay, close the bonnet now. Close the bonnet. Cover am.
Wait, start am. Make you wear that shirt. So I'm going to move that right. What is this thing now?